Texture AIR is a great volumizer and really helps amplify your volume in your hair. It is infused with crystal quartz and mica. Crystal quartz is known as a manifestation stone. So if there's any goals or anything you guys want to achieve, you can really call into your crystal quartz. It's also a really great stone to really bring in that creativity. Mica's in it because it gives this really beautiful reflective property to the hair. It also helps you reflect upon yourself. If there's anything you're going through, you can definitely call into your mica. I actually love using this as a dry shampoo. You can just spray it 6 to 8 inches away and directly at the roots. It's great for all textures and hair types. I especially love it with anyone that is lacking volume, so fine hair works really well. This weightless dry texture spray will amplify any of your hairstyles.